I'm gonna just play this slow. I'm gonna. I can't go out because the leg. It might just lag. Dude, leave me alone. Go somewhere to like camp, I guess. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile. In the previous video where I played with Z and we won with 0 kills, or I won with 0 kills, and I mentioned in that video that if you guys wanted to see a handgun only challenge, go ahead and leave a like, and you guys actually responded. So today I'm going to try it, but with nobody else, because there were comments where people were saying that it was technically cheating because C was doing all the work and I was just hiding. So this time I'm going to do the handgun only challenge, but alone. I'm going to find myself a handgun and I'm going to try and win this. Now there are two rules. Basically I felt that it makes it fair. Basically there are actually only two types of kind of like pistols or handguns in the game, which is the normal like pistol and the revolver. So I'm only allowed to have one of either. That's pretty much it. And I'm not also allowed to just camp the whole game through. I have to at least try and get a couple of kills. That's it. Let's just go for it. Let's just try and win this. I'm really excited. Let's just go for it. Okay, I just dropped in. I killed two guys. There were like three guys that dropped right here. I managed to pick up this revolver. It's not the best handgun choice in the game, but this. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, what the? Okay, please, I don't have a lot of rounds right now, so I'm gonna try and play this really slowly, really safe. I just killed two guys. I was so lucky to be able to pick up a gun, a revolver right now. Wait, is this a bot or what? This guy just staying there. Dude, I'm freezing. No. Call of Duty being so freaking buggy. Come on, fix this up. They need to really fix this up. Dude, you could really just turn around and one shot me right now. 10 cent, fix up your problems. Bro, this is irritating. Seriously. I dropped in. Oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna literally, I'm one shot right now. If I survive this, it would be hilarious. I survived that right now. Dude, I just killed this dude. He had an AK. He had an AK. Wait, I'm not picking up the guns though, but he had an AK. Come on, man. Kill three guys. Oh no, wait. No, I know I'm supposed to pick that up. I killed three guys with a revolver, dude. Okay, let's drop all of this. Let's drop all of this. Actually, wait. I'm gonna pick up the 9mm in case I find a pistol. Because if I find a pistol, that will be good for me. Okay, there's a heli right here. I don't have a lot of rounds though, so this might not be. Okay, let me just move out. There's a healable box right here. Let me just try and find a pistol because the safe zone is closing. So I need to move in, but I don't have a lot of rounds, so this might be a bit of a problem. I just need a pistol. I got enough rounds for if I get a pistol though. I'm not allowed to keep both of them, so I will have to drop the revolver. I really enjoy this revolver after I just killed 3 people with it. It's so cool. Alright, somebody was here. Wait, please tell me you had a pistol. Nope, no pistol. Okay, I'll drop that now. I need to really rush this though, so. Okay, they got a UL, bro. They got. Wait, oh, I dropped the freaking. No, and it's again. Damn it. I dropped the revolver. I need to go pick up the revolver. Dude. They just did freeze right now. Dude, stop freezing. This game just. Dude, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Where's that stupid revolver right now? Okay, I need to pick up this revolver. Come on, pick up the. Why does he keep like automatically dropping it? Okay, I don't care. I don't really care right now about anything else. I'm moving in. I'm moving out of here. I'm gonna grab the heli. Tencent needs to fix up this lagging problem. It's like freezing. It's so choppy. The screen is terrible. I'm playing in medium quality. It shouldn't be like this. It should be a bit better though. Let's move in right now. Come on, get in the helicopter. Let's move out of here. I might actually not make it. If that thing close, oh, it's not so far. Okay, I think I'll be able to. The only thing is, I need to find myself more revolver ammo right now. I have no like revolver ammo. I'm there's a sniper somewhere. I might actually chance it and drop right here, maybe. I hope there's no guy here though. Dude, it's freezing so much. It froze at least like 5 times this game. 5 times. At least 5 times. Okay, there's half the players that's eliminated, so that's cool. I just need to survive till I get to the last guy. And I'll be good. Please tell me there's like... Ooh, there's some lack of stuff in here, dude. It's like nobody... Wait, let's drop this guy. No, I suppose... Wait, I dropped my... Seriously? Okay, that's it. Pick that up. But we have to drop this. This might, on its own, take a lot of time. Oh, guy. He might have some really... Oop, oop. Don't shoot me, don't shoot my alley. Ooh, my head is really down to it. Oh god. Seriously? Seriously, dude? Okay, let's move. Let's go here. Damn, every single time it's lagging. I don't know if I'll win this. Like, if it's lagging so badly, it's like easy for them to win. It's terrible. The lag is horrifying. It's literally horrifying. I'm gonna maybe have to ditch the alley though. So please be a... I just hope there's maybe a handgun here. Please let there be a handgun. There's 9mm. Everything. There's no handguns. I could have come across a handgun, and I'm not playing with... Oh yes, I need some of this. Okay, I might not need a handgun if I find more revolver ammo or a handgun. I would prefer a pistol though. I'll just pick this up though. Just would be useful. Oh, here we go. I got now 2 revolvers. Okay, let's see. I already got the level 3 vest. Ah, this guy. I'm gonna just play this slow. Let me pre-aim. I'm pre-aiming. I'm gonna pre-aim this. But what did it throw at me? Okay. No, I can't. I switched to my... Okay, he ran away. It's probably a bot, but... Dude. I really need to worry. I think he's still in the house. I'm gonna... I can't go out because the lag. It might just lag. Dude, leave me alone. Where the hell is this guy? Where the hell is this guy? I'm gonna pre-aim this. Dude! This is playing it so tight right now. No, don't pick up that gun. I hate it when it automatic picks up guns. It's just so irritating. Just drop this. Dude, come on. Seriously? Like seriously right now? Come on. Maybe I'll just pick up... Let's just pick up the let's drop this. Okay, let's replace our I saw this early on. Oh, another guy. You gotta be kidding me right now. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, we don't have a lot of time, so we gotta move in. I shouldn't go to people's boxes actually. They're probably never gonna have it. And it's lagging. Good time it lagged when there's nobody. Please don't lag again, dude. Like, I just need. There's 22 people left. Come on, if we can get top 5, I'll be happy. If we can get top 5. Come on. Okay, let's. I hate it when it does this. It's so irritating. I'm not gonna go to people's boxes right now. It's not gonna go to the loot boxes. Nah, come on, it's picking up everything. Seriously, dude? Stop this. Stop this. Go to Q. Pick up my little. No, come on. I can't say pick that up. Okay, we have 96 ammo. Not the best in the world. But it should do us good. We have 32 seconds, so let's move on. I killed 5 people already with a freaking revolver. The hell? Wait, actually, even though we have a few seconds left, maybe I might just check here one last time. Maybe if I'm lucky, might be a handgun. If I'm lucky, or even if I can just find revolver ammo. Ooh, I hear the freaking machine guns going. Yes, some revolver. Oh no 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 no! Let's go in. Let's get. I'm probably gonna die if I don't. I'm not gonna make it otherwise. Okay, I might just be. Okay, yep, it would kill me right now. It's gonna take a lot of health from me because it's like there's very few people left. It just must not freeze right now. If I can go somewhere to like camp, I guess. There's not really much I can do, to be honest with you, besides camp. I could just maybe play it safe and hide. Oh, I see a guy, I see a guy. I'm gonna move. Oh wait, the windmill. I can go to the windmill. I just hope there's nobody here though. Seriously, I totally missed that. I freaking totally missed that. Okay, he's running away. Okay, let's play the slow. Let's play the slow and easy. Okay, he's healing up. I might also need to heal up right now. There's 2 guys here. There's 2 guys here. I'm climbing up right now. I might not make it. I think there's only one way you can get up here. Please don't freeze now. Please, come on, dude. Okay, don't freeze. There's 4 people left. If you freeze right now, I'm dead. Come on, dude, don't freeze. Don't. Come on, don't kill me, please don't kill me. Okay, nobody came upstairs, nobody came up here. Okay, this is cutting it so freaking tight right now. I don't care, I picked up the gun, I'll drop it just now. I need to find a place where there's only one way somebody can get up here. Okay, if I... No, wait, I need to get my revolver. I'm gonna pick up my revolver once more. I don't care about the other guns in my inventory right now. I'm just gonna kind of... I need to find a spot where I can camp. Okay, the safe zone is closing in here. The last player has to be... No! My heart is racing right now. No, I shouldn't have shot. My mistake. That was by accident. I'm gonna go on top of the windmill. Gonna go on top of it. No, damn, dude. Seriously, what is up with dropping my freaking gun? Can't pick up this. I don't care right now. I received some ammo. It's gonna go to the top of the freaking thing. It picked up that gun again. Damn. That's big. Ooh. They picked up a stupid thing again. There is only one way up here though. So. I might just game this. I might just game this. It just cannot freeze though. If it does, I'm doing okay. Let me just make sure I'm not in a sniping position. Okay, it's collapsing the safe zone, so I might have to move in. Where is that guy? I think I'm still making it, right? I think it's probably gonna close right on me. That guy could easily kill me right now if he sees me. Dude, I literally just made it. Wait, where is this guy? I don't see him. He's probably also camping, waiting for me right now. Let's throw. So I can get him. See, maybe he'll see that. It's a distraction. Go there. Okay, this is one of the dumbest plans right now because where's the new safe zone? Wait, this is the. Wait, what? This is the last safe zone if I'm not mistaken? Okay, let's try some of them. I do not know where's this guy. Honestly, I have no clue where's this guy. If he dies in the safe zone, I'll be literally the happiest person on planet Earth right now. Come on, froze. I won! We won this! Dude, yes! We won it! With it freezing and with the, we got it with a revolver and with the constant freezing. Yes! If you guys ever enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Do not forget to subscribe for awesome content like this. My name is Davinci and I'm going to see you guys in another video.